today we celebrate the 126th anniversary celebration of Philippine independence. We are so honored to have all of you here join us today. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us begin our celebration with a formal entry of Philippine colors. Begin our flag raising ceremony, I would like to call on the people who will lead us. Ladies and gentlemen, may I call on Mr. Van de Aberia, the mall manager, Ms. Marilu Kionesela, the assistant mall manager, and the representatives of Philippine Army and the Philippine National Police.
Magiliw, pelas ng silalanan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, tuyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilag ang tula at awis sa paglayang minamahal, hangkislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, hang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng